Sri Lankan wild elephants, a majestic symbol of the island's rich biodiversity, are renowned for their size and intelligence. These gentle giants roam the lush forests and grasslands of Sri Lanka, playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance by dispersing seeds and creating clearings. Despite their grandeur, they face significant threats from habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitat, preserving the intricate web of life they support.